To replace the hard drive, first face the PC towards you, loosen the screw at the back of the PC, and then gently pull the top towards you. It will then just pop off. The hard drive is encased in a blue cover. Pinch the cover and pull it towards you. It'll just pop out. Then remove the old hard drive. Next, take your new hard drive, make sure the Samsung logo is facing down, and then just line up the connections with the blue casing like that. The hard drive will slot easily in on both sides. Or not so easily. And turn her over and put it back into the PC. And then it just clicks back into place. Then you can take the cover again, line it back up, and then tighten the screw. Job done.